when we talk about data privacy, a lot of times it's all related to the personal data, right? There will be certain things that which you don't really want. How do I put it? I mean, you don't really want it to be kind of used or exposed, right? Because I mean, typically when bank was collecting data, I mean, not just banks, right? A lot of organizations, when they're collecting data, what they're really trying to do, okay, I just collect whatever data which I want to collect. Yeah, kind of a dragnet kind of approach, right? But in fact, if you look at the data protection kind of a principle, let's say for example for GDPR, right? There's a lot of a requirement in terms of data minimization and what they call it, purpose specification, right? Because when you collect the data, you need to be, first of all, you need to be kind of specific about what do you want to collect this data for, right? And then you shouldn't be using the data in a secondary purpose. Let's say, for example, maybe initially when you're collecting the data, you're telling your user, I'm going to collect it for marketing purpose, right? But now you're kind of trying to apply it for another purpose, which is trying to maybe trying to identify more value from the data. So in a way, according to the kind of a data protection regulation, in fact, this is not something you should do, right? And that's why there's a lot of I mean, a principle around data minimization as well, right? Because you should just collect data, collect those data which you really want, right? For those that you probably can't really justify, probably you don't even want to collect them. Right. Okay. So that is in a way, I mean, and then AI in a way for me is just like another way to consume or to use your data, right? So you also need to justify if your original purpose doesn't really compatible with your primary goal, right? You probably shouldn't even be doing that,